Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use the mask tool in CapCut. And here are the steps to use the mask tool in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app by tapping the CapCut icon from your home screen or app drawer. Tap New Project. Choose the main video or photo you want to edit to. Select your media and tap Add. It will load into the timeline. Tap on the clip in the timeline. This selects the video layer you want to mask. Tap Edit from the bottom toolbar. This opens up video editing options. Scroll right and tap Mask. This opens different masking shapes and styles. Choose a mask shape. Options include circle, rectangle, heart, split, linear, mirror, etc. So I'll choose on circle. Drag or resize the mask on the preview screen. Adjust its position using your fingers. Use the rotation handle to rotate the mask. Tap on the adjust, then tap on rotate, useful for diagonal or angled masks. Tap feather to smooth the edges. Slide to adjust the softness of the mask border. Preview the mask effect. Tap play to see how the mask looks in your video. Then hit the downward arrow. Tap the check mark to apply the mask. Your mask changes are now saved to the clip. Export the video when done. Tap the export button at the top right to save or share it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.